Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 25. And if we start with this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 9. No help here. 2, 6, 9. 9 here, so 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 here, 3 here, so this is our 6. That 3 makes this our 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 covering these two boxes, so our 3 must be here. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this row now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 covering this box, so that's our 5. 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 4 here, so this is our 2. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 5. 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 8, 2. So if we get rid of this 2, that means the only place the 2 can be in that box is here. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8, and I don't see any help. 5, 8, 5, 8. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 4, 1. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9, but we've got the 9 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 6, 7, 5, and that 7 makes this our 6. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.